Good morning, everyone. At the very beginning, to express my sincere greeting to everyone. Today, I would like to share my thoughts on if I will become a millionaire, what things I will do. Well, first of all, I will fulfill the basic needs of my family and myself. After that, I will spend a part of my wealth on education and helping underprivileged children. I will also build an orphanage for children without family. Moreover, I will save some money to ensure financial securities for the future. Besides those, I will travel to different countries to explore different culture and tradition. In addition, I will invest in a small business to create job opportunities. I will also support healthcare services so that poor people can get medical treatment. Above all, I will use my wealth in a way that brings happiness to my life and creates positive impact on others. Thank you so much for listening to me.